Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be speaking about the abstract blockchain again, how you can make money within the ecosystem because there's so many opportunities going around at the moment. We've been speaking about it in our Telegram chat, which is for free. So if you're interested in that, join down below. Yeah, guys, we're going to be speaking about the abstract chain and everything like that and a few other coins and opportunities we've been mentioning in the Telegram once again, because don't forget, guys, even though the market isn't doing the greatest, there's always opportunities out and around. You just got to search for these things. So first of all, we're just going to be speaking about Ethereum. So Ethereum has been absolutely struggling this bull cycle, is without a doubt. It's just so obvious, right? Very disappointing this time around, but if we do get a run within Ethereum, which everyone is kind of anticipating soon, what I'm about to tell you guys is going to make so many people so much money. So let's get on top of it right now. What we do want to do in this time frame, right? We can kind of anticipate or front run an Ethereum run. So what I mean by that is if we think this cycle is going to continue, without a doubt, Ethereum is going to prosper in the end, in my opinion, right? This is all kind of opinion, experience, whatever it may be, but this is my opinion of the matter. Instead of getting into standard Ethereum plays, which we all know will pump anyway, let's try and get into these new layer twos. And that's kind of the thesis here. So we've been talking about base a lot on this channel. And now the area I want to kind of excel in is the abstract blockchain, because it's a new kind of narrative. These things tend to create a lot of hype. And if you're in early, you can make a lot of money. So that's what we're going to be speaking about on the channel a lot. Now, the first one I want to speak about is Abster. There's been a lot of price action happening with this. We first talked about this on the channel at about, I think it was around 5 to 7 mil market cap. I'm not sure. That was kind of the price I was aware of it at and buying at. And I think I made a video pretty much the day I found out about it. Wanted to let you guys know about it because I think it's some extremely important alpha. So now we're sitting at 14 mil market cap. We did reach 18 mil market cap, guys. There was a huge buy candle here, which took it straight to 18 mil market cap, which was about a 50K US buy, I believe. So take of that what you may will. It might be someone who knows something that's coming soon, or it could just be someone with a lot of money willing to gamble with it, right? Abster is my play for this blockchain. I've explained it many times in some of my previous videos, but what the thesis is for me is, if you aren't aware what the abstract blockchain is, guys, it's a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. And the owner or co-founder of Pudgy Penguins is basically the co-founder of the chain. So I think he has a lot of connections in the crypto space. I think we'll be able to get these types of coins on many exchanges, get that accessibility to people. Abster is kind of a legitimate name. It sounds like abstract and it's a pudgy penguin looking thing. So in my opinion, it has that complete mascot potential for the abstract blockchain. I think it can do extremely well. And this, since it's built on top of Ethereum, guys, when Ethereum has that run, these things are going to run a lot harder because they're lower in market cap. People are speculating on the chain. And if abstract becomes a thing, just like base did, Brett was about a 2.5 bill market cap. Toshi went to pretty much $1 billion in market cap. So we're talking about over 100x, right? Even from this stage here. So you're still quite early in my opinion. Abster is the main one I'm absolutely bullish on. There's another one, Newt, that's going around. That's a little higher in market cap, but I think Abster is the winner in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Now, there's one called Chengdu, which is kind of like another penguin that's muscular, I think I've seen. It's going absolutely crazy at the moment, guys. So as you can tell, there's so many opportunities in this blockchain or ecosystem at the moment because people aren't necessarily looking into these areas. They're not bothered. They've lost money. They can't be bothered being into crypto. But that's where we can get in nice and early, guys. And when the next run comes, who knows, it could pay off entirely, right? There's always ways where it cannot pay off, right? I don't want to make it out like this is an absolute sure thing, but these are the risks you have to take in crypto. While the market's down, put your money in these places, be willing to take the risk to reap the reward. So, you know, if you're not open to that risk factor of it, absolutely do not get involved. I tell people all the time, it's not other people's priority or responsibility to take care of your money. You have to do what you want to do with it, but this is the price we take for trying to get in early to projects and make a ton of money. So you can't be mad if this doesn't work out, right? I've fully accepted that. I'm doing this as a risk on my own part. So you guys should do the research and see if it's right for you. Next is Chester, which is a tiny microcap gem in the abstract ecosystem as well. It had a little run up before, and as you can see, since more people are getting on board the abstract chain, it's coming back as well. So a lot of these coins can do massive gains, and that's kind of what I'm getting at here, guys. That the opportunities there, if you're willing to do the study, the research, you know, we can go onto the abstract website and everything. We have people in our Telegram that are applying to be streamers on the abstract chain. There's a lot going on there. It's more than just your standard layer 2 solution for Ethereum. They're trying to do a lot there. So I do believe in this layer 2 on Ethereum. I really do. So I've looked into it. It looks good. It has the characters in the space to be able to get marketing out there. I believe they have money to support it, and I'm going to put my chips in this circle. So next up, I want to speak about this. This is just a random meme coin on Abstract yet again. It's called Thank You Abstract God. This was first mentioned in our Telegram by one of our great early members. He caught it at about 70k market cap, so that's already more than a 5x from here, right? Just to put it into perspective for you guys, if you're doing the research, you know, I was letting my community know about the abstract blockchain. I thought it was a great opportunity, and they're getting in on these things, finding trades themselves. So if this is something you're interested in, guys, I'm telling you, get in amongst our community and start talking with everyone, because it's just a bunch of people that enjoy crypto, want to make money as well, just like-minded people, right? So that's already done a 5x in there. You guys can search it in the Telegram yourself from when it was first mentioned. Last thing I want to talk about is this coin, which is Tickcoin. This was also mentioned in our Telegram, guys. If you don't believe me, just join it and have a quick look. You can leave if you don't like it. This was first mentioned in our Telegram at about 4 or 5 mil market cap, and I'll prove it right now. I've got a screenshot. It was mentioned on the 21st of March. So wherever you want to call it, it could have been 3.6, it could have been 5. Someone posted it, and I said myself that this looks like something that can run to about 50, 80 million market cap. I did see the potential in it, guys, and look where it is now, well over 30 million market cap. By the time this is uploaded, it could be higher, it could be lower. But regardless, that's another 5, 6, 7, 8x trade, depending on where you got in at 3 or 5 mil market cap, right? So yeah, guys, just letting you guys know there's so much opportunity, and just basically telling you guys about the abstract blockchain again, because I think this is something we're still early into. There's not much hype in crypto still. Yes, there's been a little bit of recovery in some of these coins, but nothing major to the point where the buying opportunity's gone. Pretty much everything is still at a backable price. And I know Alex Becker made a video the other night, I believe, where he was pretty much talking about how good these prices are, and I couldn't agree more. So if you've got the time and you want to put the effort into learning about crypto and everything, I highly suggest you look into the abstract blockchain, how you can bridge there, how you can buy stuff on abstract and start playing these markets, guys, because that's where the money is at the moment. A lot of smart money is moving there, and I think big things might be coming. I could be wrong about this. I'm absolutely open to being wrong, but I just want to let people know that are watching this channel my best crypto alpha that I have at the moment, and try and help you guys make money, because that's kind of what I make these videos for. It makes me happy letting you guys know about some early crypto things, because obviously not everyone can win in the market, but I want people that watch me to win in the market, right? We can verse everyone else in a sense. So yeah, guys, have a look into that. Like I said, in our Telegram, we're mentioning plenty of these types of early market cap coins as well. So if that's something you're interested in, get in amongst the community. It's for free. Just chat with everyone and introduce yourselves. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.